Nice North America, technology manufacturer. We're based in Italy. We have a North American headquarters in Carlsbad. We're in a lot of different categories: home automation, residential security. We make garage door operators, access control, speakers, power protection. Again, a lot of different categories. And what we're going to talk about in the next few minutes is our line of shades. So one important element when you're selling sunshades is the fashion side of it. Again, we're a technology company, but our sunshade brand is really fashion forward. So we want to make sure our customers have access to really fashion forward fabrics with a lot of different options. So you can see here, what we did is we partnered with a really great Dutch fabric company called Cooley. So our customers can sit down with an interior designer and really feel comfortable that they're getting a best-in-class fabric. Again, wanting to really focus on the fashion elements within nice sunshades above and beyond just the technology we have. What we wanted to make sure we showed at CEDIA this week is you can see we actually have 5 different fabric elements in just these 4 openings. So here's an example of solar screen, really nice lightweight texture. And then here's a really unique solution where we did a double roller shade. So we've got 2 different shades coming out of the same window, and the reason you want to do that is during certain hours of the day you want to set blackout, while at different hours you're going to want light filtering. So we give you both of those options, and then what we're able to do is not only give you those options, but using the exact same collection, I'm able to have the same color, exact same texture, even though I'm doing a light filtering and a blackout shade, so you don't have to worry about working with an interior designer and having a mismatched blackout shade to a light filtering shade.
Awesome.
And then finally, from a control side of things, what we did is developed a control panel. So for advanced home systems like Nice Home Management, I can order a single product to handle all of the advanced control of our shades, being able to set the limits, obstacle detection, those kind of things, and also power them. We make it really easy. It's just one little installation, and I can power up to 50 shades.